Definition of work permit. Work permit is authorization to perform a specific construction, maintenance, inspection and repairing activity on a specific equipment in a specific area. Next, what is a potential hazards? Anything that can cause harm to people, the environment, assets and business. Next, what is a confined space? Any area which is generally not designed for human occupancy, limited means of entry and exit is called confined space. Next question, example of confined space. Vessels, wall box, manhole, boiler, tank and excavation more than 1.2 meter. Next, confined space communication method. First, face to face, hand signal. Third, verbal communication. Fourth, radio communication. Next, example of confined space. Vessels, wall box, manhole, boiler, tank and excavation more than 1.2 meter. Next question, OATH. OATH stand for O for OK, A for advance, give me rope, T for take me up, H for help. Next, where use both method and what is used for communication? We use rope for deep confined space for communication where entrant and stand-by man cannot see each other. They use rope for communication. Next, what is a scaffolding? Temporary elevated working platform for support both man and material. Next, tag use of scaffolding. Green tag used up to 1.8 meter. Yellow tag used over 1.8 meter. It means use whole scaffolding with full body harness. Red tag means not use except of scaffolding erection and dismantle. Next, what is working at height? Any work above 2 meter from ground level is called at height. Height will be start from 1.8 meter. What is lifting? Shifting a material from one place to another place by using machine is called lifting. There are 5 types of crane: mobile crane, hydraulic crane, overhead, gantry crane and tower crane. There are 2 types of hot work. First, open flame, such as burning, welding, torch, soldering, etc. Exceptions are areas which are considered as safe for routine cutting and welding. Second, non-flame work not producing a flame such as grinding, chipping and blasting, concrete, cutting, etc. Opening of explosion-proof housing is included. Next, house sign on scaffolding tag and validity. Above 1.8 meter scaffolding supervisor signature. Above 6 meter scaffolding inspector signature. Validity for 2 weeks. Next question, what are the hazards in welding? Eye injury, burn injury, arc realization, electrical shocks, light arc radiation, heat, light and radiation effect, heat fumes, poisonous gases, cheap price of weld meter, fire, explosion, scattering, noise, sparking, sparkling, flying sand. Next question, what are the precautions for welding? Answer, remove all combustion material from the place of welding. Clear the work area and cover wooden floor with fireproof mats. Welding mechanics should be kept within the visibility of the welders. Erect the fire resistance screen around the work. All welding cables should be fully insulated. All welding mics shall be double earthed. Welding areas should be dry and free from water. Keep the fire extinguisher sand really. Use leather hand gloves, goggles and helmet. Switch off the power when welding is stopped. Do not allow the helper to do welding. Do not shift welding cable unless the electric power is switched off. Do not allow the helper to carry the welding. The terminal of the welding cable should be provided 3 cable with lugs and keep tight. Oxygen hose in black and acetylene hose in red. In color as per standard. NRB yani not return valve of the below torches should be maintained properly. Avoid wake fire. All welder should be trained properly. Cylinders should be stored in a cold dry place. Away bottom heat and direct sunlight. Smoking should be avoided from welding area. Hose connection should be proper made. Barricade the work area and put a signboard. Rolling of cylinder should be avoided. Flashback arrestor should be attached to each cylinder. Any leakage of cylinders should be kept separately. Next, what is a 5-page of accident prevention? Answer, 5-page is a safety program that helps to prevent workplace injury and accident. Education, encouragement, engineering, enforcement and evaluation. Next, what is a critical lifting? Answer is, first tandem lifting or critical lifting, tailing lifting, blind lifting or critical lifting, night time lifting or critical lifting, heavy lifting more than 40 tons are critical lifting, near power lines lifting are critical lifting, overpopulation lifting are critical lifting. Next and last question is, what is the safety precaution of scaffolding? Answer is, wooden board not be painted, wooden board should not be any crack, check for rust in pipe clamps, clamps should be fixed and good quality, board thickness should be 3.4 cm and no bending. The construction must be rigged properly based. Use of good and sound material. The wooden braces has no joint. Vertical poles should not be more than 6 feet. Chains, ropes used for the suspension of scaffoldings. Never throw any material from height. Use safety harness while working at height 6 feet. Properly ties to be arrangement. So friends, these were 20 questions and answer which are asked in every safety officer interview. Okay friends, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next training video. Till then, goodbye. Take care.